Hello friends, I am architect Shalu Mittal and warmly welcome you to my channel on bioclimatic architecture, future proofing with simple and advanced passive strategies. This course is offered by NPTEL and taught by Professor Iyer Vijay Lakshmi Kasinath. This is a 12-week course. In these videos, we will do a quick and easy review of each week and will go through assignments. Starting with review of week 1, which has Introduction to Bioclimatic Architecture, Strategies for Bioclimatic Architecture, Simple Passive Strategies, Principles of Simple Passive Architecture. Introduction to Bioclimatic Architecture and Ventilation. Now, what is bioclimatic architecture? Bioclimatic architecture is an approach to building design that focuses on understanding the relationship between biology and climate. It means designing buildings that work with nature instead of against it. Use sunlight, wind and the temperature easily. Reduce the need for artificial heating, cooling and lighting. In the simple word, we can say bioclimatic architecture is equal to biology plus climate plus building design. Alright? Now, what is the role of bioclimatic architecture in sustainable development? Reduce energy consumption, improves indoor comfort, lowers pollution, saves natural resources, creates healthier buildings. Types of ventilation. Ventilation systems are classified into three main types. First is natural ventilation. Air moves naturally due to wind and temperature difference. Examples to achieve natural ventilation in a building using windows, ventilators and the courtyards. Okay. Mechanical ventilation. Air is moved using machines such as fans, exhaust systems, air conditioners, used when natural airflow is not sufficient. Hybrid ventilation. This is combination of natural ventilation and mechanical ventilation. Now coming to heat gain from sun. Heat gain means that energy received from sunlight by a building. Techniques to capture solar heat. First one is the Trombe wall. Trombe wall is a thick wall painted dark and placed behind glass. Absorbs solar heat during the day, releases heat inside at night. Now coming to the double facade, two layers of walls with an air gap in between traps warm air, acts as insulation. Solar buffer spaces, areas like sunrooms or verandas store solar heat, reduce heat loss from the main building. These techniques help reduce heating energy, improve indoor comfort, save electricity. Now coming to the heat protection and passive building techniques. Heat protection means reducing unwanted heat gain or loss in building without using machines like AC or heaters. Buildings can protect heat using insulated windows, reduce heat transfer, winter garden, trap solar heat and reduces cold air entry, sun space, a buffer space that stores heat from the sunlight. Passive techniques in buildings. Passive techniques are methods that work naturally without electrical energy. Some passive techniques are spacing between buildings, improves airflow and reduce heat. Appropriate opening size, wind towers using shading devices, solarium, earth heat exchanger. Now coming to the principle of heat flow. Direction of heat flow. Heat always flows from a higher temperature to lower temperature until thermal equilibrium is reached. In a warm humid climate, the building layout should be aimed to maximizing south wall to control solar radiation and improve ventilation design. Maximizing the north wall to allow better daylight and reduce the heat gain. Minimizing the west wall because west wall inside receives intense afternoon sun and causes overheating. The layout should maximize south and north walls and minimize west wall in case of warm humid climate. Alright. Now coming to the week 1 assignment. First question is, bioclimatic architecture is understanding the relationship between dash and climate. Answer is biology. Bioclimatic architecture is understanding the relationship between biology and climate. Second question is, bioclimatic architecture contributes to sustainable development goals by optimizing. Answer is natural ventilation. Next is, ventilation types are classified as natural ventilation, mechanical ventilation, hybrid ventilation, or all the above. So the answer is all the above. From our notes, we can say ventilation types are natural ventilation, mechanical ventilation, and hybrid ventilation. Heat gain from the sun can be captured by which of these techniques? These techniques are given: trombe wall, double facade, solar buffer spaces, all the above. So the answer is all the above. These all the three techniques can be used to capture sun to gain the heat. Alright, trombe wall, double facade and solar buffer spaces are the techniques to capture the heat from the sun. So the answer of this question is all the above. Okay, now coming to the question number 5. Question number 5 is, heat protection in building can happen with help of insulated windows, winter garden, sun space, all the above. Answer is insulated windows. Heat protection in buildings can happen with the help of insulated windows. Which of these is advanced passive techniques? Spacing between buildings, appropriate opening size, wind towers, protecting from rain. Answer is wind tower. Wind tower is the advanced passive technique among all the techniques given in the question. Solarium, earth heat exchanger, appropriate opening size, use of phase change material. Above which of these in simple passive change? From these, the simple passive change is appropriate opening size. So the answer is appropriate opening size. Now coming to the question number 8. Heat flow will occur between steel and aluminium until the temperature of. Answer is both are equal. Heat flow will occur between steel and aluminium until the temperature of both are equal. Alright. Now coming to question number 9. That is, the direction of heat flow is from hot to cool. Okay. For the bioclimatic design, the layout in warm humid should aim towards maximizing south walls, maximizing north walls, minimizing west walls, all the above. From the notes, we can say the answer of question number 10 is all the above. Okay. That's all for today. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. If you have any doubts, to write in the comment section below. See you in the next video. That will be quick review of week 2. Till then, keep learning and stay motivated. Bye.